So now in this video, I decided to make a low power LED flasher. Primarily it's low voltage right there. It's not very bright. There's not much current. I'll dim the lamp. You can see the LED better. But there's my lamp at the bright side. And you can definitely see it flashing, but it's not bright at all. I'll move the power supply over here. You can see it's not registering any current flowing right there. That's because we have just barely enough voltage to get the LED to flash. And when LEDs, these red ones, it has to be an LED that only has about 2 volt forward voltage, which the red ones typically do, or orange, or yellow. But they'll probably get up to about 2.2 volts that you need to power them to get about 20 milliamps of current. So we probably don't even need this resistor to protect it, but I did add a series resistor, only 10 ohms though, because we don't really want much resistance there at all. And otherwise we would start limiting current a lot more. But in any case, hardly any current flowing through, but enough to get the LED to flash. So to do this, we're only working with 2 volts. Last video we looked at the 74HC14 and saw that we can get the rail. So both voltages can be applied to the output right there. Can't provide a ton of current, but this circuit we don't need that. So in any case, we already looked with the oscilloscope, we can get those voltages. These are not gates or inverters right there. There's 6 of them. You can see 5 of them. Those are the inputs. We tie it to a supply voltage so that we stabilize things in there. I'm just going to quickly go over this. We covered this in other videos. But in any case, we have that not gate that we're using up there. Input on top, output at the bottom there. When we first apply power, the capacitor will be discharged. That's a low input, which means the output will be high. So the capacitor will charge high enough voltage, then you have a high input and the output goes low. So we're working within the hysteresis range. There's 2 points it has to go high enough before the output will go low, and then it has to go low enough before the output will go high. We got a middle ground region where the output stays as it is, and we're bouncing back and forth between those 2 thresholds. Again, stuff we covered in other videos, so we're not going to go into detail in this one. This is a short video series. So very high value resistor there, 1 million ohms. You can see it's working just fine though, with it's about half of a microfarad, 0.47 microfarad capacitor there. And this is actually not polarized. I could put it in either way, but I used the polarized symbol. But it's okay. You can substitute a non-polarized capacitor for a polarized one as long as you have the right value. Doesn't matter. So in any case, that's it for this video. Check out one of the other videos I posted on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.